and I'm a lecturer in LG Polytechnic Architecture Assistantship. Welcome to this video series of our subject estimating and costing. So today we are going to learn about the rate analysis for particular plaster work. So we have three types of thickness in plaster work in construction. So first is 12 mm thickness, then 14 mm and then the 20 mm thickness. So today we are covering the 20 mm plaster works rate analysis. On the board, I have already mentioned the item of work what we are going to calculate today, that is 12 mm thick plaster in centimeter, that is used in 1:4 in proportion for 100 meter square work. So for that we require a table to calculate the final cost. So one part is for the calculation of materials and this part is for labor quantity. So we're going to find two types of quantities, the labor quantities and the material quantity. So let's begin the calculation. So first we're going to cover the materials. So for plaster work, first we require cement, then sand and water. Water we are taking in percentage. So finally I am adding the sunrise. So first we're going to count the quantity of cement. So for that we're going to use this proportion, which is 1:4 and makes the total of 5. So now we know that this proportion indicates the ratio of cement and sand. So calculating cement first. Cement is used 1 out of 5 into, I am taking the standard for the plaster work. So we already know that different plaster work carries the different standards. So for 12 mm thickness, we are taking 2 meter cube. This is the mortar is used in plaster work. So cement is used 0.4 meter cube. So we have to find cement in bags to calculating the cost. So this answer is incomplete. We're going to divide it with the cement volume, that is 0.035. So now we have the quantity of cement bags, which is 11.42. Let's say 12 bags. So cement is used 12 in bags. So per bag we are paying 350 rupees. So also I am adding the rates in different sections. So also I have added the market rate, the present market rate of one bag. Now let's calculate the sand. So sand is used 4 in proportion, as you can see, out of 5 parts into, I am adding the mortar standard, which is 2 meter cube. So now we have the sand quantity, which is used 1.6 meter cube. Now per meter cube we are paying 1000 rupees for sand. So now let's find the final amount of materials. 4200 rupees. The sand is 1600 rupees. Sunrise we are taking 35 rupees. Now the total cost of material is 5835 rupees. Now let's move into the labors. So for plaster work, first we will require mason, the main mason, that is Mistri. Another mason, male coolies, female coolies, bishti and sunrise. So now I am adding the numbers, the quantity of labors. Mistri will require 0.25. 10 number of mason, 10 number of coolies, 2 number of bishtis. Now I am adding the rates of labors. We already had the rates of labors in our previous session. So we are paying this amount for particular labors per day. So I am adding this unit here. Next we are going to calculate the final amount. Sunrise, I am taking 35 rupees. The total cost of labor is 12,295 rupees. So let's start the the total cost of labors and materials, which is 18,130 rupees. Now I'm adding the water charges, which is 1.5% of total, 272 rupees. Now 10% of contractor's profit, which is 1,830 rupees. The final cost, the total cost of construction is 20,250 rupees. So this will be the final answer.